What is Fauvism? Fauvism is an art movement and style that was established towards the beginning of the 20th century. It was the first of the avant-garde movements that flourished in France in the early years of the 20th century. The term Fauvism means wild beasts and was coined by critic Louis Vauxelles following the 1905 Salon d'Automne exhibition. It is important to note that the Fauve painters were the first to break with Impressionism, as well as with older, traditional methods of perception. Their spontaneous, often subjective response to nature was expressed in bold, undisguised brushstrokes and high-keyed, vibrant colors directly from the tube. In some ways, Fauvist artists emerged as an extension of the Impressionist artists working at the turn of the century. Linked by the way they painted directly from nature, Fauvists are sometimes associated with post-Impressionism. However, unlike the Impressionists, the Fauvists paid particular attention to capturing emotion in their subjects. Often painting portraits, landscapes, and nudes, the Fauvists enhanced the colors and tones of the natural world, whilst closely observing scientific color theories that had been developed in the previous century. It is important to note that Fauvism combines so many of the art movements that preceded it, borrowing everything from German Expressionism to Neo-Impressionism. The figure most commonly associated with Fauvism is none other than Matisse. In fact, the most famous Fauvist pieces of art are predominantly by Matisse. Taking influence from Gauguin, Van Gogh, and Seurat, Matisse moved art one step closer to abstraction. Often seen as a seminal and transitional moment in the development of modernist art, the Fauvist movement paved the way for other highly influential styles of the 20th century. André Derain went on to develop a neoclassical style, whilst the once Fauvist artist Georges Braque worked alongside Pablo Picasso to develop Cubism. The typical traits of Fauvism are unique in their ability to appear both timeless and innovative. Today, artists continue to employ bold colors and decisive brushwork to create vibrant works of art. Whether using block gestural brushstrokes, saturated colors, or a renewed look at perspective, the concerns of Fauvism can be recognized time and time again in the contemporary art world.